Time to work through some of our leftover cranberries from our cranberry sauce with an orange cranberry muffin. To this bowl, we're going to go ahead and add a quarter cup of flour. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then a pinch of salt. Then just give that a quick stir together. We're going to melt a tablespoon of butter. In place of that tablespoon of butter, you can also use a neutral oil, such as canola, sunflower, grapeseed. To the butter, we're going to be adding an egg yolk, about a half teaspoon of zest. You can also use a box grater for this if you don't have a zester. Then we're going to take our orange and get it juiced. Instead of throwing away the rind when you're done juicing it, you can actually cut out the excess pulp, which can be thrown into smoothies or whatever. You can take the rinds, lay them flat on a baking sheet, and then throw them into a 350 oven for about 20 minutes, get them good and dried out, and then throw them in a blender or food processor and zing them up to make your own dried orange zest, a potpourri, or let them seep in a tea. Lots can be done with this before you throw it away. And do 1 tablespoon of orange juice, 1 tablespoon of milk. Get all that stirred up really well. Now add the dry to the wet and then stir to combine. Then add about 2 tablespoons of our cranberries and get those stirred in there. Then get this poured into our prepared ramekin. Quick little pop. Make sure there's no air bubbles. And then a 375 oven for about 20 minutes, or you can go microwave 70 to 90 seconds. I'm not a fan of microwave cakes and muffins. The consistency just kind of bothers me, so I'm going to go the oven route. There we go. Cranberries are good for about 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge. As most recipes for solo cooks are about a quarter cup, you can also go ahead and freeze those in quarter cup segments and then grab them when you're ready to use them. And there we have it, one beautiful orange cranberry muffin. And look at that gorgeous interior. So much you can just fill with cranberry. There's just something about orange and cran together, just so good. But there you have it, super quick muffin. So there's one way to use those cranberries. There's more coming up with those. Recipes in the description, along with a link to my slow cook survival guide. Cook for one, waste none, and be savvy.